Cineworld has confirmed it is considering filing for bankruptcy in the U.S., as the cinema chain continues to struggle with $5 billion worth of debt. But the company, which also owns the Picture House chain in the UK, insisted its cinemas remain open for business and that there would be no significant impact on jobs. Cineworld employs more than 28,000 people globally. Like other cinema chains, Cineworld was hit hard by the pandemic. Many theaters were forced to close for extended periods during the lockdowns, or had to operate at a reduced capacity due to social distancing rules. Cinema chains had hoped blockbusters such as the latest Bond film, Top Gun, Maverick and Thor: Love and Thunder would draw audiences back in after lockdown restrictions eased. Top Gun, Maverick, starring Tom Cruise, has taken $1.8 billion at the global box office, making it one of the top 10 highest-grossing films of all time. But last week, Cineworld warned there had still not been enough major releases to attract cinema audiences and said this was hitting admissions. In 2019, before the pandemic, global box office takings hit a record $42.5 billion according to Comscore, buoyed by films such as Avengers, Endgame and Frozen 2. So far in 2022, films such as Jurassic World Dominion and Minions: The Rise of Gru have performed strongly. But box office takings this year are down by around a third, or 32%, compared with 2019. Cineworld has 128 cinemas in the UK and Ireland. Globally, it has 9,189 screens across more than 750 sites. It operates in 10 countries, including the US, Poland and Israel. Cineworld currently has a market value of around $69 million but is carrying close to $5 billion of debt. The firm has expanded through acquisitions around the world. However, 2 years ago it ditched a plan to take over Cineplex, leading to a protracted legal battle as the Canadian firm sought substantial damages from Cineworld. Shares in Cineworld recovered slightly on Monday morning. But at just over 4p, the share price is still a long way off from where it was at the start of 2020 when it reached 220p before the pandemic struck.